going. Hey-ya! We're back, Jimmy Giggle. How fast do we fly?
Well, my stopwatch says that you flew really, really fast!
Oh, wow! That's the fastest I've ever flown. Thanks for training with me, Giggle Wings. That was awesome.
Oh, how cool, but Belle, why are you covered in bits of cloud?
Oh, well, that's because we zoomed super fast past the cloud. It was awesome.
Oh, butterfly-tastic!
Hey, hey!
Bottle Top Bill and his best friend Corky up on the hill. Let's watch them as they play, playing all day. Hooray.
The Adventures of Bottle Top Bill.
And his best friend, Corky.
Bottle Top Bill.
What's today's adventure, Bill?
Today's adventure's called A Windy Day.
Will we have to go very far for this adventure?
We won't have to go far at all. Just out into the back garden where it's a beautiful sunny day.
It's a great day for drying our washing, Bill.
It sure is, Corky.
Even the birds look happy.
The birds are always happy, Corky. And today they've got a nice breeze to help them fly.
Right then, let's get cracking. I'll get the clothesline ready, Bill.
And I'll bring the washing, Corky.
It's about time we did the washing. All the clothes are very dirty. This looks like a good place.
Good shot.
Perfect. Where's that washing, Bill?
Coming right up, Corky.
Okay, let's start scrubbing. The first thing we need to do is go down to the stream and get some good fresh water.
Then we need our special water catching machine so we can fill our tub.
Where is our tub, Bill?
There it is, Corky. Let's turn on the tap.
Look at all that beautiful water, Bill. Our clothes should be clean in no time.
Now that the tub's full, we can turn the machine off too.
Right, Bill. Put the washing in.
In it goes.
Now, let's get to work.
This washing should be as clean as a whistle now.
Take a look, Bill.
Paint me pink, Corky. This towel's still dirty.
So is this T-shirt.
Do you think we've forgotten something?
I know. We need some soap. I'll get it.
Good thinking, Corky.
How much, Bill?
Just a little bit, Corky. Easy now.
That should do it. Look at those bubbles.
Right, let's get washing. Now let's see how clean it is.
Right, Bill.
It's still dirty.
This isn't clean either.
There's only one way to fix this, Corky.
What's that?
More soap. A lot more.
You don't think that might be too much, Bill?
No way, Corky. I'm just putting in enough to get our clothes cleaned properly.
It looks like it's too much to me.
You might be right, Corky.
I think I'm very right, Bill. Look at all these bubbles.
I can't see a thing.
Where are you, Bill?
Here.
Where?
Here, Corky. Inside this bubble.
Oh, no! Bill, come back!
I can't. I don't know how to get out of the bubble.
Oh, dear. What can we do?
Help me, Corky.
Don't worry, Bill. I'm coming to help you.
Uh-oh. I don't like the look of this. Watch out!
Careful, Bill!
Ah! Oh!
Bill, are you okay?
I think so, Corky. And I think my hat's okay too. Now, let's see. How's the washing?
It's cleaner than I've ever seen it.
You beauty! Now we just have to hang it out to dry.
We can take it to my washing line, Bill.
Ready, Corky?
Ready, Bill. This is good teamwork, Bill.
Now that's what I call a really top lot of washing.
All this work has made me thirsty.
Right, Corky. Time for a nice big glass of lemonade.
Watch out, Bill!
Ouch! Come on, Corky. Let's get that lemonade.
It's hard to walk, Bill. Do you notice something, Bill?
I sure do, Corky. The wind has come out of nowhere.
I hope our washing will be all right.
It's just what we need, Corky. The wind helps the washing dry faster.
Are you sure?
Too right. Let's have a look.
I think we'd better hurry, Bill. Huh?
Huh? Huh?
Oh, no! Our beautiful clean washing.
And my hat.
How will we get them back, Bill?
We need help. And fast.
What's this?
A very special flying machine to help us get our washing back. Jump in, Corky.
Right, Bill.
Ready, Corky?
Ready, Bill.
Let's go.
Let's get that washing, Bill.
And my hat.
There they are, Bill.
We'll have them in no time, Corky. Keep pedaling.
The washing's headed towards Mrs. Whistlehead's farm.
We're nearly there, Corky.
Look, Bill. Your best shirt has fallen on one of Mrs. Whistlehead's sheep. It can't see where it's going. It's jumping all over the place.
We better get it, Corky, or Mrs. Whistlehead will be very cross.
I think I can see Mrs. Whistlehead, Bill.
I hope she's in a good mood today.
Me too.
Goodness me! My poor sheep!
Look out below!
Morning, Mrs. Whistlehead.
Hi, Mrs. Whistlehead.
Bill? Corky? What are you doing to my sheep?
We'll fix it in a jiffy, Mrs. Whistlehead.
Even sooner.
You'd better, or...
Don't you worry, Mrs. Whistlehead. We've got it all under control.
Take us up, Corky.
We'll have your sheep back soon, Mrs. Whistlehead.
Follow that sheep, Corky.
Will do, Bill. Stand by, Bill.
Here we go. Got it, Corky. That's the first piece back.
Good work, Bill.
But where's the rest of our washing?
I think I can see it, Bill. Looks like it's heading towards town.
Then let's get after it.
The town's such a big place, Bill. I hope our washing doesn't get lost.
There are so many buildings for it to fly in and out of.
And don't forget all the cars, too. Let's hope our washing stays away from them or it'll get all dirty again.
There it is, Corky. I can see it.
Ah!
Oh!
I've got an idea, Bill. Let's ask the traffic policeman if he can help us.
Good thinking, Corky. He'll help us for sure.
Can you stop our washing, please?
It's on the back of that car there.
Thanks for trying.
Looks like we'll have to keep pedaling, Corky.
Bye, Mr. Traffic Policeman.
Now where are we headed, Corky?
Looks like the town hall, Bill.
Can you see the washing in any of those buildings, Corky?
No, Bill. I can't see the washing there. I can't see it anywhere. Where on earth could it be?
There it is. It's blown onto the town hall clock. What do we do now, Corky?
I'll fly up close and you reach out and grab the washing.
Spot on, Corky.
Be careful though, Bill.
Oh, I've got them, Corky.
I think they've got you, Bill.
Oh, ow.
Hang on, Bill.
I'm hanging all right.
Don't let go, Bill.
I'm beginning to feel dizzy.
Hang on. Oh no, he's going to fall.
Oh!
I'm coming to get you. Grab the towel.
I knew this towel would be useful one day.
Climb aboard, Bill.
Thanks, Corky.
And we've got all our washing back.
But we still don't have my hat.
We'll find it.
I don't think we'll find my hat here, Corky. I think it's blown a long, long way away from here. I think it's lost.
We have to look everywhere, Bill. We don't know where it is.
I hope we find it soon. My head feels cold.
At least it's not so windy now. Your hat shouldn't be too far away.
Quack!
Can you see what I can see, Bill?
Clear as day, Corky.
That looks like your hat.
It is my hat.
Then it should be on your head.
You're right, Corky. Let's get after it. Come back, birds.
They're heading for our house, Bill.
Let's hope they stop soon. All this peddling's making me tired.
Me too. Look, Bill, your hat's coming back.
But it's heading straight for the fish pond.
I hope it doesn't land in the water.
Oh no! It's going to get soaking wet.
It's not wet yet, Bill. Quick, Bill, put the wash basket on the pond. Hurry!
Here it comes. You beauty! We saved it after all. Great. It's in tip-top shape. That feels better.
And look, Bill, our washing's perfectly dry.
And beautifully clean.
I think we've done a good day's work, Bill.
A top day's work, Corky.
And a top day's work deserves a glass of lemonade. I didn't know that doing the washing could make me so thirsty.
And I didn't know that doing the washing could make me lose my hat.
But all's well that ends well, hey, Bill?
When you're right, Corky, you're right.
Bottle-top Bill and his best friend Corky. See you again